we meet again. As I made this channel, I just wanted to understand what exactly to put. The food, I've already put a drawing. I've already will come up in few days the chocolate mousse part. But I was just thinking, what difference should I make? So can you imagine? I'm making a halwa. It is watermelon. Yes, watermelon. So I'll be showing how to do a halwa out of a watermelon. So friends, this is what I was talking about, watermelon. Now watermelon part is, I'm not using the actual red part. The red part is already eaten by everybody. Alright, this is the remaining, the green part. Alright, I have scraped the skin out. So this is the white part and little bit of red that was remaining. So what I'm going to do is make a puree out of it. So let's come to the ingredients. As I said, this is the watermelon, just read it, which has to be mixed, made into a puree, and this is the puree I was talking about. See the texture and check out the color, beautiful. Next what we need is 1 tablespoon of rava or suji that they call, and 1 tablespoon of 1 cup milk, and half a cup of sugar. Sugar depends how sweet you want. If you want more sweet, you can add more sugar. And ghee. First we take 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. If you want to make it more richer, then you can use 3 or 4. Here I'm using almost 3. Now I'm adding besan, which will absorb the extra water that is there in the watermelon, and rava, both of 1 tablespoon each. Now it's time to add the puree. Now this is little more than 2. I was aiming for 2, as I said. See the amount of water that is coming out. This is the watermelon. Now what the basin will do is absorb the water from this. See the color, and as you keep on cooking, you will come to know that the color will keep on changing, so you really don't have to add extra color. Now you can notice the color is changing a little bit. Alright, now the flame has to be a little on between mid and a high flame. Look at the texture and the smoke coming out of it. It's just water. See the texture. And this is the time you have to add sugar. Now what I have done over here is I have mixed elaichi in this. First I had said I won't, but I think elaichi will give a nice taste. There you go, sugar. Just powdered it so I get a little nice texture out of it. Now what sugar will do is sugar will have its own water that will be discharged, and the color will also check out the texture now and see the color and hear the sound. Whoa! So the color has also changed, and we'll cook this for some more time, and after that we'll add milk. Milk is optional. If you want to add it, you can add it. If you don't want to add it, it's perfectly fine. I've grated some almonds, so what I'll do is keep some for garnishing, and few I'll add right now so that it gets nicely cooked in. There it goes, and I'll add some more. So now the color looks beautiful. Now it's time to add milk. 1 cup of milk. And there you go. A big hello to all the dads out there. I hope you like the video. And this channel is for all the dads, of the dads, and by a dad. This channel is made to make you a superhero in the eyes of your children. I can help you with cooking different kinds of food, different kinds of drawings. I can give you health tips, everything. But what I need from you is to subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family members to subscribe. Even moms, you can help me out in this. I can give you a lot of tips, but then I need more and more subscription. So I want all the fathers out there to be a super dad, be the knight in a shining armor. So be a super dad, be a knight, be a dad knight.